Hi, you must be Alejandro, right? Welcome to the team.
Hi, Sofía. Yes, I'm Alejandro. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
Great, I'm Sofía. I work in the marketing department. They asked me to help you get settled in today.
Ah, perfect. Thank you very much for your help. I still feel a bit lost.
Don't worry, it's normal on the first day. Have they already shown you your workspace?
Yes, licenciado. Ramirez accompanied me to my desk and showed me where the restrooms and the meeting room are.
Excellent. Do you have your computer and network access already?
Yes, everything is already set up at my desk. I'm just trying to familiarize myself with the programs.
I understand. How about I show you some of the programs we use most frequently in the department?
That would be great. Any help is welcome.
Perfect. Do you have a moment now, or would you prefer later?
Now is fine. I'll make good use of the time.
Great. Follow me to my desk and I'll show you the basics. I'll also introduce you to some other team members.
Thank you very much, Sofía. I really appreciate your kindness.
You're welcome. We all go through this on our first day. Do you have any questions for now?
For the moment, I think I'm okay, but I'm sure I'll have some as the day goes on.
Absolutely. Don't hesitate to ask anything. We're here to help you. Have you had lunch yet?
No, not yet. I was waiting a bit to see how things are organized here.
We usually have lunch around 2 p.m. There are several good places to eat near the office. If you want, we can go together when it's time.
I would love that. Thank you for the invitation.
Excellent. Well, let's start with these programs, and then I'll introduce you to the rest of the team.
Perfect. I'm ready to learn.